Watch the number blocks blossom into colorful flowers, each one blooming with fun and learning. One's gently swaying as a beautiful rose.
It has one window and one.
Two's dancing in the breeze as a vibrant tulip.
One,
two. Three's reaching for the sky as a bright sunflower.
Trinoculars.
Four spreading petals wide as a stunning chrysanthemum.
Ooh, that was...
Five's blooming gracefully as a delicate orchid.
Coin everything once. Try counting those flapjacks.
Six is standing tall and round as a striking allium of flautunids.
I am 6, and I'm playing in the sun, playing games.
Seven's glowing softly as a lovely lily.
Look at me jump. Hello, everyone.
5, I'm after a lucky horseshoe. Do you sell them?
Eight's blushing bright as a sweet pink rose.
40! Thank goodness you're here. I'm rushed off my tentacles.
Nine's shimmering gently as a soft, dusty miller.
I thought I heard 3.
It's just you and me.
10's charming everyone as a tiny button rose.
Throwing 2s. You be reds, I'll be blues.
11's shining boldly as a vibrant Transvaal daisy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
12's smiling warmly as a classic daisy.
Funny, I thought I heard 3.
It's just you and me.
13's blooming sweetly as a fragrant freesia.
Super rectangle to get in shape. Switch!
14's twirling softly as a rare Artabitries hexapetalus.
I pick 12.
Time for this super rectangle.
15's climbing high as a cheerful morning glory.
Remember, whatever you do, don't let 3 in.
16's brightening the garden as a colorful petunia.
Squares do. I bet it's really amazing. Wait, no, let me guess. I know. Square part.
17's bursting with beauty as a full flower bouquet.
I am 17 and I love to paint.
18's standing bold and proud as a dazzling dahlia.
Hey, time to discover who I am.
19's flourishing gently as a soft gossypium herbaceum.
It's something to do with...
Super rectangle.
20's rising tall and elegant as a stunning gladiolus.
I love to dance with plenty of...
One stylish frock. Two's comfy pants.
Room for 2, me and you. It has 1, 2, 2 windows.
Three's tapping in shiny shoes.
Got my trinoculars.
Four's posing in a cool cap.
Been here before?
Rule 3. The last number is how many?
Five's waving in warm gloves.
More blocks you have, the more shapes you can make.
Six is rocking a neat tie.
Time for some tricks. 6, 9.
Seven's cozy in a soft sweater.
I am 7. Am I in heaven?
Eight's buttoned in a crisp shirt.
Hi, everyone. Look what I found. It's the number 8.
Is my idea of fun. Octoblock run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nine's jumping in comfy socks.
Hello.
10's twirling in a princess dress.
Okay, let's do everything.
Everything?
11's blooming in a pretty frock.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no.
One's driving the Jeep, racing through.
1, my kind of level. But
Two's pedaling the bicycle, cruising along.
What? Are we playing musical statues?
Three's driving the taxi, picking up speed.
Welcome to my new Stampoline Park.
Four's zooming in the car.
And I'm the first of the friendly fours. So the first hut is for me.
Five's driving the minivan, rolling smoothly.
Open up my handy new shop. I hope I get lots of customers.
Six is riding the bus, taking everyone on board.
it's that pattern, then come on through. I've got loads more patterns for all of...
Seven's chugging along the train, on the tracks.
I am 7, and I'm playing in the sun, making rainbows.
Eight's diving in the submarine, exploring deep.
I'm the king of the castle.
Octo naughty!
Nine's flying the jet, soaring high.
Yes, I'm a square, like you. So why do you have a number?
10's blasting off in the rocket reaching the stars.
To space and beyond.
What should we do today?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.